Buddy, it's another day in paradise in beautiful Las Vegas. It's going to be a gorgeous day and a gorgeous weekend. What do we have to complain about? Nothing. And the market is still churning. You listed 72 homes yesterday, which is fantastic. And we've got 20 days of inventory. We're selling 129 homes a day. I think by next week, it's going to be 130 or maybe over. So we'll see. Last year was 148 sales a day. And I don't think we're going to beat that record. Last year was a record year, and we were selling 148. That's amazing, isn't it? And we sold over 50,000 homes last year and another 12,000 new homes. So we'll see what happens this year, but I don't think we're going to hit that 62,000 mark. We shall see. We talked yesterday about how our population is going to continue to grow, and the different projections different people have. Right now, we're growing about 5,000 new residents a month. They say that's going to go down to 3,800, but I don't think that should stop your marketing efforts by any means. We're still in an incredible market here in Las Vegas. So the investors are still coming into the market, buying 45 properties a day. And I don't see that ending because I did some comps yesterday for a rental house, and I was just amazed. I mean, the current people that are moving out were paying $1,500, and it's going up to $1,800. So after just a year and a half, I think that was. So anyway, investors are going to continue to come into our market, and we talk a little bit about using Remind and perhaps Vulcan 7, other ways to get investors. If you have listings that particularly condos or single family homes that can rent in that meat of the market, which is now about 1,800, you should start perhaps thinking of the second half of the year and maybe marketing to get investors. I'm sure people in California who are bringing their money here are going to buy a home, but maybe they would want to buy an investment home too. So just let your imagination roll on some of these things, because our market is going to continue.